Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain this isosceles triangle. So student, isosceles triangle is where two sides of triangle are equal. Like in this triangle, triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC. So this mark single arc, this shows that AB side is equal to AC side. So two sides are equal. So when two sides are equal, then angle opposite to equal side. This angle C, this angle is opposite to side AB and angle opposite to side AC is B. This angle opposite to this side and this angle is opposite to AB. So the angle opposite to equal sides are also equal. So and these angles are also known as base angles. So how to write? First of all, we will write the name of triangle, that is important, triangle ABC. Then we will mention which sides are equal. AB is equal to AC. Then we will write that angle B is equal to angle C. The reason is base angles. You can write base angles or you can write angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. And conversely, if it is given that angle B, if already given that angle B is equal to angle C, then in that case the side opposite to equal angles are equal. So that is why AB will be equal to AC if angles are equal. Now let me discuss some questions. Here we are given this triangle ABC, and in this triangle AB is equal to BC. These two sides are equal. So first we will write triangle ABC and in which AB is equal to BC. So the angle opposite to equal side. The angle opposite to this side is 40. This side is angle opposite to this BC, side BC, and angle opposite to side AB is this angle C. So that is why if these two sides are equal, then these are the base angle, angle A and angle C. So angle A is equal to angle C, and always mention the reason that these are base angles, or you can write angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So now angle A is already given 40. Angle A is 40. So angle C is also 40, but angle C is given this letter B. So that is why therefore B is equals to 40. B is equals to 40. Now we are required to find this angle A. How to find? By angle sum property of the triangle. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C. So we know that is equals to 180 degree, and the reason is angle sum property of triangle. Angle sum property of triangle. So angle A is given 40. Angle B is not given, but it is marked as A, and angle C we have already found, that is B, and the value of B is 40 is equal to 180. Now solve this equation and then you will get value of A is equal to 100. Value of A is 100. Now in this question, this triangle is given, and in this triangle you can see one exterior angle is also given. This X is the exterior angle of this triangle ABC. And we know that what is exterior angle? When we produce any side, then the angle formed is known as exterior angle of that triangle. Now in this triangle, these two sides are equal. Triangle is isosceles. Triangle is ABC, and in this AB is equal to BC. So that is why the base angles, or the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Those are A and C. Angle A is equal to angle C. But angle A is given this B and angle C is given A. So B and A both are equal. So we can find the value of this A or B, like by taking angle sum property of triangle. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree, and the reason is angle sum property of triangle. So here angle A is given B plus angle B is given 80 plus angle C. Angle C is this small a, and we can write small b in place of small a because these A and B both are equal. So I am writing B for angle C. For angle C, I am writing B because A and B both are equal. So B, and is now we have a linear equation with one variable. So it is 2B plus 80 is equals to 180. So 2B, solve the equation. So you will get the value of B is 100, then B is equal to 100 upon 2, 50. The value of B is, this angle is 50. This angle B is 50. So if this B is 50, A is also 50. A is also 50 because these two angles are equal and these are base angle. Now we are left with this exterior angle X. So you can find the value of X by taking linear pair. X plus B, linear pair. So X plus B is equals to 180 degree, linear pair, or you can say angle on straight line. Linear pair. So value of X is, value of B is, we have already found, value of B is 50. So X is equals to, B is 50. So 180 minus 50 is equals to 130. So value of angle X is 130. Now one more question. This figure is given, and in this figure we are given this N and M, and the question is find the value of or you can say measure of the unknown angles. So student, from this figure I have taken out this triangle on that side. I have taken out that triangle here, that is ADC. ADC. In this angle A is given 35, angle C is given M, and this double mark, this shows that these two sides are equal. AD is equal to DC. So triangle ADC, first we will write the name of triangle, and in this triangle AD is equals to DC. So if these two sides are equal, then angle opposite to these sides are also equal. That is why angle A is equal to angle C. And these are base angles. So the measure of angle A is given, that is 35. So if angle A is 35, then value of M is, angle A is 35. Therefore, M is also 35. Now we have found the value of M. This M is 35 degree. Now we are left with this N. So this N is, student, in this triangle, if I am taking this whole triangle ABC, in this triangle you can see that angle B is N, angle C is M, but angle A. So angle A is divided into two parts, and if I add these two parts, I will get the whole angle A. I will get whole angle A, this whole angle A. So angle A here is 60 plus 35. 60 plus 35 is the angle, whole angle A. So angle A, I am writing the name of triangle also. So from this name it is clear that I am taking this whole angle A. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property of triangle. So angle A we can write, that is 60 plus 35. This is angle A. Angle B is N plus C. C was M, but now the value of M is 35. So we can write 35 here, 180. So this 60 plus 35 is 95, plus this 35 plus N. Now solve this linear equation. You will get N is equals to 180 minus 130. 130. So that is equals to 50 degree. So value of measure of N is 50 degree. So hope you understood this concept of isosceles triangle. Thank you.